Our guys were in Spanish Town, Greendale. Yeah, Fuels Hardware. We're here to see one of our favorite customers. She's been doing business with us almost every week. How are you?
I'm good.
Welcome back from foreign.
Thank you.
Take care for me.
All good?
You know, so I'm going to take the hug right now. Happy New Year. We have a package for you.
Thank you.
Well, you know what? We want to tell you, we're wishing you all the best for this year. Whatever it is that you desire and pray for, dream about, we want you to achieve it.
Alright, thank
We
you.
want to also tell you that we appreciate your business, we appreciate you referring us to other people, and that you should continue.
I will.
Any New Year's resolution you want to share with us?
Not really. It's just that
You don't want to share?
No.
You don't want to make no more money this year?
Well,
that's a constant thing I get to
that's for
understand.
sure. That's for sure. And I want to finish my OC.
Okay,
sure.
good. Well,
So otherwise from that, and maybe we can get motor vehicle too. So.
Nice. Look at you. The life on. We're speaking it into being, you know.
Right.
We're speaking it into being.
Right. I'm working on it.
All right, good stuff. Well, it's a pleasure meeting you, and we're looking forward to continue doing business with you.
All right.
Have a great one.
Thank you.
And there you have it, guys. We are still on the delivery trail, and this is one of our most favorite. Look at her. Smile. The winning smile. Peace out. Yes.